medicine in Korea? Do this. In the US, you go to CVS or Walgreens. Painkillers, cold meds, cosmetics, all in one place. Big bottles, 30, 50 pills. Great if you live there, not great when you're traveling. In Europe, rules are stricter. Even in drugstores, you ask the pharmacist, small packs? Rare. Late hours, not guaranteed. Now in Korea, drugstores look familiar. Olive Young feels like Boots, right? But inside, it's cosmetics, skincare, perfumes. No Tylenol here. So, midnight headache in Seoul. The real survival kit is here at the 24/7 convenience store. Walk in, grab a tiny pack, 4 pills, done. Start with acetaminophen, 500 milligrams, small pack, easy dose. But don't mix with alcohol. Don't double dose with cold meds that already include it. If you're pregnant or have liver issues, see a doctor first. Next, liquid digestion shots. You may not have these back home. Tiny bottle, quick relief after heavy meals. Follow the label. If symptoms persist, see a professional. Useful so far. Hit subscribe. More Korea survival tips are coming. Don't miss the next one. Koreans prepare to drink. Really, some drink a hangover shot before the party, some after. Either way, pace yourself. Hydrate. If you're sensitive to caffeine or herbs, check the label first. For cold symptoms, small combo packs exist, but many include acetaminophen already. Don't stack doses. Stick to one product. Follow timing on the box. If symptoms worsen, get medical help. Winter, grab a hot pack, cold wind, frozen hands, instant heat. Need a mask or sanitizer? The store has it. Travel light, buy as you go. Your Korean survival kit, acetaminophen, digestion shots, hangover helpers, cold meds, hot packs. Do you want to know more Korea hacks? Ask in the comments, subscribe, and let's go Korea.